Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an incredible money-making trick for you. Imagine earning $600 just by downloading GIFs. Yes, you heard it right. Stick around as I guide you through the steps to set up this passive income stream in under 30 minutes. Step 1. Understanding GIFs. GIFs, or graphics interchange format, are a popular file format used for both animated and static images. You've probably seen them all over the internet. Step 2. Visit Giphy.com. Head over to Giphy.com, a treasure trove of millions of GIFs covering various topics and themes. Step 3. Choosing the perfect GIF. Search for GIFs related to follower counts, likes, subscribers, etc. You can either do this directly on Giphy.com or through Google Images. Step 4. Downloading GIFs. Once you've found the perfect GIF, simply right-click on it and save it to your device. Step 5. Utilizing Sprout's social affiliate program. Now let's talk about SproutSocial.com, a top-notch social media management platform used by businesses and individuals worldwide to boost their social media presence. Step 6. Applying for Sprout's social affiliate program. Joining the Sprout Social Affiliate Program is free and open to people from all over the world. Head over to their website and apply for the program in just a few simple steps. Step 7. Leveraging Imgur for traffic. Imgur.com boasts over 243 million monthly visitors, making it an excellent platform to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Step 8. Posting GIFs on Imgur. Sign up for a free account on Imgur, upload your downloaded GIF, and craft a compelling title and description. Don't forget to add relevant tags to attract your target audience. That's it, folks. By following these steps, you can start earning $600 or more by simply downloading and sharing GIFs. The potential for passive income is limitless, so why not give it a try? Remember to explore additional resources and programs mentioned in the description to further expand your money-making endeavors. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy earning! Explore more money-making strategies or join specific programs through the links provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on future money-making tips and tricks.